girl see me, she baff for the more. Yeah. Make money and the new badness. Without the liquor for them stop capping. Girl say
everybody feel mess like that man right now. Everybody feel mess like Hood right now. Everybody feel mess like him right now. Money are the new badness. Making money are the new badness. If you're not mess like him, you can't talk. Me and a friend right now. What's up, you? What's up, you? What's up, you? What's up, you? What's good, you? Some boy, Harry Vlogs, aka the reaction boss. I want back in effect people with another. You know what that go. Boom! What's good, YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I want back in effect with another reaction for no guys. Yo, right now we're going back to our Barbados people. I know it's been a minute. Barbados viewers, you understand me? I say, but same thing, me tell the Grenada people them, and you can see me post on 4 Grenada reaction in a row last week. We not have to run out, and me know what's going on. Right now, we have a song called Cubanz by Hood. Artist name, I say on the brawling rhythm. First of all, comment on the video if you see your comment in the video that I post, and I post every single day, right? I could big up some people real quick, you see me I say? I say big up to Roque Music Entertainment, you see me I say? I say big up to R Recordz. You did me I say, big up to R Recordz, big up to R Recordz, also big up to Gunsite Rd. You don't know it chopping up. I say I don't know say R is the code. Big up the whole of Barbados. You did me I say big up everybody from Barbados. You did me I say, and just want to know say that song is a bomb clip hit song. Hit song. The artist know say it's a hit song. You understand me? But it's like a piece side. I say, oh, it's a hit song. You did me I say. Right now I want to follow 2 people on Instagram. I want to follow R Recordz. Records by Instagram is a message. I follow Hood the Great on Instagram also. It'll be down below in the description of my video. You can check it out for yourself. I can see what I'm going for the song though, people. Link down below to the original song in the description also. I can see what I'm going right now. Ready? Cubanz. Go on! It's a rich song, a must. Go on!
Cubanz.
Yeah.
Dark room man. Rock Cubanz.
Yeah.
Double R. Rock Cubanz.
None of Cuban link.
Everything.
You know what?
Y'all say she love me, styling's crazy.
Yeah.
Nothing them doing, nothing amaze me.
Alright.
Pull up man fresh than the stylist.
Yeah.
Double R dark room, we never mind them. They want me to flop, but me level up again. I do with the raw gas, so me triple up.
Pull up a song. Guess them love a style. To drive them crazy. Them want for flop, but you know, run through and react to the song.
Cubanz.
This is the man.
Dark room man.
That's why you like
Cubanz.
ensure hit.
Double R.
Ensure
Rock
hit.
Cubanz. Everything go.
Alright.
Y'all say she love me, styling's crazy.
Boom.
Nothing them doing, nothing amaze me.
Shit.
Pull up man fresh than the stylist.
Alright.
Double R dark room, we never mind. They want me to flop, but me level up again. I do with the raw.
That's a part. At that part, them pull up a song a while ago. No, they want for flop, you know. But we'll level up again. Like, it was say, oh, that should be flop. No. But later we'll level up again. Make them go back in them car now want for flop again. Go on!
Yeah, so me triple up again. Yo, Walker, tell them if you bring the bikes out dark, cause every girl in UK want right. Y'all say she love me, styling's Cubanz.
Every girl in UK want right. If you go for the UK to the dark, because so what go on then. But go on, pull up, I can control a little bit. Go on now.
No clocks up on me feet, them new brand.
Shit, hold on, pause. Straight out of the box. Girls are in with style. Cubanz. New clocks up our feet. You know what? Flip it down. Go on.
It's dark, cause every girl in UK want right. Y'all say she love me, styling's Cubanz. No clocks up on me feet, them new brand. Everyone seems to carry 2 girls. In the matter, them they call me no chance. Y'all say she love me, styling's Cubanz. No clocks up on me feet, them new brand. Everyone seems to carry 2 girls. In the matter, them they call me no chance. Y'all say she love me style, she love me flair. She a fuck a man.
Go on, I want to hear the party.
Feed them no brand.
Yeah. What the girl
now? See to carry 2 girls. In the man to them because me no chance.
Shit. That's it, man.
Girl say she love me style, she love me flair.
Yeah.
She a fuck a man from double R any day, yeah. Cuban around me night next to.
Man, if you go join double R there, if you get some of them hot girl then dog. Because you girls say don't fuck a man from double R any day. Go on.
Rich badness, Malone, it and them food is how we stay.
Alright.
Then if you know say R is the code. And anytime me a girl see me, she back for the more. Yeah. Make money and the new badness. Without the liquor food, them stop capping. Girl say
Everybody feel mess like that man right now. Everybody feel mess like Hood right now. Everybody feel mess like him right now. Money are the new badness. Making money are the new badness. If you're not mess like him, me you can't talk. Me and a friend right now. You feel mess like them, bro, yeah, brother. People, listen to the part I sang you again, dog. I'm not even a joke too.
and anytime me a girl see me, she back for the more. Yeah. Make money and the new badness. Without the liquor food, them stop capping. Girl say she love me style.
I sound for meds right now, people. Making money is supposed to be the new badness. Run through.
It's Cubanz. No clocks up on me feet, them no brand. Driver one seat to carry 2 girls. In the man to them because me no chat. Girl say she love me styling, Cubanz.
Alright.
No clocks up on me feet, them no brand. Driver one seat to carry 2 girls.
Alright.
In the man to them because me no chat.
Alright.
Yo, corrupt. How the thing go, bro, God?
John.
Double R.
He got double R.
Yo, bam. How the thing go? Girl say she love me styling, Cubanz.
Hey.
No clocks up on me feet, them new brand. Driver one seat to carry 2 girls. In the man to them because me no chat. Girl say she love me styling, Cubanz. No clocks up on me feet, them no brand. Driver one seat to carry 2 girls.
Alright.
In the man to them because me no chat.
It's vibe, dog. Anyway, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Certified hit song as an artist, so people. Go check it out for yourself. For them, I say, link to the original song down below in the description. Go check it out. Me the artist know say Tyrekevlogs reaction boss and over there, so you know what I mean. Go spam some fire emoji on that song. And then I say, thanks for checking out the reaction boss video. You don't know it chop already, you know, people. Bye.